7. Richard and Kath spent the Saturday driving through West Germany, and then the following day viewing the east and comparing the villages in the west so that they could best compare the scenes when they entered the east. On the Monday morning they purchased a quantity of Ostmarks from the bank near the border at 7 times the official rate and drove to Grenz and waited their turn to cross. The border guards apologised for keeping them waiting while they'd checked a busload of local pensioners, and with their visas and passports stamped they passed into the DDR. The first of the tramways visited was the meter gauge Nordhausen system, and here there were 2 routes. The main route 1 from the station to Krankenhaus with double track operations by 2-room and a bath articulated cars. Route 2 was single track and operated by a sole 4-wheel car. Most of the trams were painted orange below the windows with white window surrounds and a black or grey roof, but there were some in common all over cream. The meter gauge railway running north to Wernigerode is next. There were no restrictions on photography except for a short section where this line passed in sight of the border between East Germany and West Germany.